Video title: Mastering the For Each Loop in Java, a comprehensive tutorial. Video description: in this video, we'll dive deep into the For Each Loop in Java, exploring its versatility, syntax, and practical applications. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced Java programmer, this tutorial will equip you with the knowledge to efficiently and effectively utilize the For Each Loop in your code. Video tags: Java, programming, coding, tutorial, for each loop, iteration, collections, arrays, data structures, control flow. Video hashtags: hashtag Java, hashtag programming, hashtag coding, hashtag tutorial, hashtag for each loop, hashtag iteration, hashtag collections, hashtag arrays, hashtag data structures, hashtag control flow. Video script. Introduction. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on the For Each Loop in Java. In this video, we'll explore the power and flexibility of this loop, helping you master one of the essential control flow structures in the Java programming language. What is the For Each Loop? The For Each Loop, also known as the Enhanced For Loop, is a simplified version of the traditional For loop. It allows you to iterate over the elements of an array or a collection in a more intuitive and readable manner. Syntax and usage. The syntax for the For Each Loop is as follows. For data type variable name, array or collection. Code block to be executed. We'll go through several examples to demonstrate how to use the For Each Loop with arrays, lists, and other data structures. Example 1. Iterating over an array. Let's start with a simple example of using the For Each Loop to iterate over an array of integers. Example 2. Iterating over a collection, e.g., array list. Next, we'll explore how to use the For Each Loop to iterate over a collection, such as an array list. Example 3. Iterating over a string. The For Each Loop can also be used to iterate over the characters in a string. Advanced scenarios. While the For Each Loop is straightforward, it can also be used in more advanced scenarios. We'll discuss a few of these, including iterating over a 2D array, iterating over a map, using the For Each Loop with lambda expressions. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've covered the fundamentals of the For Each Loop in Java, including its syntax, usage, and practical examples. By mastering this control flow structure, you'll be able to write more concise, readable, and efficient Java code. Remember, the For Each Loop is a powerful tool that can simplify your development process and make your code more maintainable. Thank you for watching, and happy coding. Outro. This concludes our tutorial on the For Each Loop in Java. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative programming tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment or question, and we'll be happy to assist you.